Okay, the purpose of this lab is to delete organizational units. And we are on Corp server, and we're working with a server named Corp DC. So double click and mouse to Corp DC, and right click and mouse to connect, and click connect, and then mouse to tools and click tools, and then Active Directory users and computers. Click it. Okay, now we have, our situation is that when we were creating the directory structure, we added an organizational unit named workstations to each of the departmental organizational units. Now we'd like to use one of the workstations organizational units for the company. And as a result, we would need to delete the departmental workstation OUs. So in this lab, our task is to delete the following on Corp DC: the workstations organizational units under marketing, research dev, and sales. So one approach that does not work would be to expand marketing and go to workstations. You might initially think it would work, but it would not. Would be to go to the workstations, right click on it, and then mouse to delete and click delete. And it says, are you sure you want to delete the organizational unit named workstations? You could answer yes, and it says you do not have sufficient privileges to delete workstations, or this object is protected from accidental deletion, because when we created this organizational unit, we protected this object from accidental deletion. So that approach of just right-clicking on the organizational unit and choosing delete is not going to work because we protected the object from accidental deletion. So we'll click OK. So let's say, we ask and someone says, oh yeah, we need to change the properties. We think, okay, we'll go back, we'll right-click on workstation, and we'll go to the properties, right? And we don't see anything here that would be useful to us, I don't think. Yeah, that's grayed out. Yeah, so the properties are grayed out. We can't do work on that. Yeah, so nothing useful there. And so let's say we go back again and someone says, oh, you can't view the properties until you change the view. So in order to make these changes to complete the lab, we need to mouse to view, and then we need to mouse to advanced features, and just click advanced features under view. Okay, now let's expand corpnet.local, and we'll expand marketing again, and we'll scroll down to workstations. And if we tried to go to workstations and delete, we'd get the question again, are you sure? You could answer yes and say, oh, no, you still don't have permission. This object is protected from accidental deletion. Okay, and if we go back to workstations under marketing and right click, and this time we try to look at the properties, after clicking view and then advanced features, now if we click on object, we see this checkbox, protect object from accidental deletion. It's checked because that's how we set up that organizational unit. If we uncheck it, say apply and OK, now if we mouse to workstations under marketing and right click, and let's mouse to delete and click delete, it'll ask, are you sure you want to delete the organizational unit named workstations? Let's try on clicking yes and hope that third time is a charm. Okay, and now that one is gone. So we've gotten rid of the first workstations OU. Now let's go to research dev and expand research dev. And then we'll mouse to workstations, and then right click, and we'll mouse down to properties. And we see the object tab. So we'll mouse to the object tab that we were able to make appear by going to view and then advanced features, and we'll click on object. We'll mouse to the protect object from accidental deletion. We'll uncheck that. We'll apply and click OK. And now we can mouse back to workstations under research dev, and right click on workstations, and then let's click mouse to delete and click delete. And it says, are you sure you want to delete this? We'll mouse to yes and click yes. And now that's gone. And we have one more. It's under sales. So let's expand sales. And let's go to workstations and right click on workstations and go to properties and then go to object and then go to protect object from accidental deletion and uncheck the box and apply and click OK. And now let's go to workstations under sales, right click and choose delete. Look at the question, are we sure? Let's click yes. And now that third and final workstations organizational unit has been deleted. So now let's click Score Lab to see how we did. And it looks good. Thank you for watching.